Hello student, in the last lecture we have to complete the exercise 2.2 in the chapter of matrices. In this lecture we have to solve some examples in miscellaneous exercise 2a. Okay, therefore in this exercise the first example, if A is equals to the matrix 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 3 1, then reduce it to I3 by using the column transformation. Using column transformations here, listen carefully. Using column transformation, this matrix A, reduce it into the I3. I represents the identity matrix, 3 represents the order of this matrix. I3 is 3 by 3. Okay, therefore solution is here. Let A is equals to the matrix 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 3 1. Okay, convert it to the identity, that means here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, आता कॉलम using column transformation आहे. ओके, मग आता इथे बघितलं तर इथे 0 0 0 हे ऑलरेडी आलेले आहे. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं, आयडेंटिटी मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. दॅट मीन्स दिस 2 3 and this 3 रिड्यूस टू काय असणार आहे 0. ते जर 0 झाले तर the given matrix A converted to the काय होणार आहे आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, therefore आता हा 0 झाला आहे, 0 0 आहे, इथे ऑलरेडी 1 प्रेझेंट आहे. युजिंग दिस 1, these are 2 converted to the 0. Okay, मग आता these 2 lies in column transformation आहे. Okay, therefore these 2 lies in first column, that is the C1. Okay, therefore C1 perform काय असणार सांगा, C1 that is the 2, त्याच्यातून 2 सबट्रॅक्ट केलं तर काय होणार 0, म्हणजे -2 times using C2. This 1 lies in second column, that is the C2. Therefore this becomes A equivalence to the matrix. Changing C1, C2 and C3 like firstly as it is 0 0 1 0 3. Okay, therefore C1, this one as it is असणार, त्याच्यात काही चेंज होणार नाही. याच्यासाठी आपण ऑपरेशन घेतलं, it becomes 0. Okay, C1 that is the 3 -2 times corresponding C2 is again and 3. Therefore -2 into 3 that is the -6 and this 3 it becomes -3. Okay, आता इथे 0 झाला आहे, हा पण 0 आहे. आता these 3 and this -3 reduce to काय असणार आहे 0 using these 1. Okay, therefore this becomes, आता त्याच्यासाठी आपण ऑपरेशन घेतोय therefore आता हा C -3 lies in again and C1. Therefore C1 perform, C1 -3 आहे, त्याच्यात 3 ऍड केला तर तो काय होणार आहे 0 using the C3. C3 is the one. And second operation, that is this C2 plus 3 lies in second column. Therefore that is the C2 perform, C2 plus आहे. ओके, तर त्याच्यात काय करावं लागेल -3 into काय असणार आहे C. Okay, C2 -3 times C3. Okay, therefore this becomes A equivalence to the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. That is the identity matrix. Same example आहे, example number 2. समजतंय सर्वांना? example number 2 आहे, याच्यामधलंच ते तुम्ही घरी सॉल्व करू शकता. If A is equals to the first row, that is the 2 1 3, second that is the 1 0 1, next that is the 1 1 1. Okay, then reduce it to I3 by using row transformation. कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ने एक एग्जांपल मी सॉल्व करून दिले, तुम्ही प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. 5 into at home reduce it to I3. सेम ऑपरेशन आपण यूज करायचे. कशाचे करायचे पण बरोबर, त्याचे एग्जांपल आपण मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये बघितले, एक्झाम्पल्स पण बघितले मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये. ओके, ठीक. Next example, that is the third example. If third example, check whether the following matrices. Third example, check whether the following matrices are invertible or not. The first, that is the matrix 1 0 0 1. Second example, that is the 1 1 1 1. Next, third example, this is second. Third. And fourth one, that is the matrix of 1 2 3. Okay, see. Solve one by one. Solve by one. Okay, solution is, let A is equal to 1 0 0 1. See, the question is, check whether the following matrices are invertible or not. एक किंवा दोन मार्क्स साठी या टाइपचा क्वेश्चन आपल्याला परीक्षेला विचारला जाऊ शकतो. इन्व्हर्टिबल आहे किंवा नाही काय करायचं चेक. इन्व्हर्टिबल दॅट मीन्स द इन्व्हर्स इज एक्झिस्ट. मग इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट साठी आपण काय करत असतो सांगा. इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट साठी आपण चेक इट्स डिटर्मिनंट. डिटर्मिनंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 आला तर इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट होतो, आणि इट इज सिंग्युलर आला म्हणजे डिटर्मिनंट इक्वल टू 0 आला तर इट इज नॉन इन्व्हर्टिबल मॅट्रिक्स. म्हणजे त्याचा इन्व्हर्स नाही करता येत नाही. मग याचा डिटर्मिनंट आपण घेतोय. डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ A is equals to 1 0 0 1. Okay, therefore it becomes 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0 into 0 it becomes 0. Therefore determinant of A equal to 1 minus 0, that is the 1 not equal to 0. Okay, therefore the given matrix A is non-singular and hence it is invertible. एक किंवा दोन मार्क्स साठी आपल्याला या टाइपचा क्वेश्चन विचारला. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, दॅट इज द मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ first row, that is the 1 1, second also 1. Therefore consider this matrix is equals to A. A is 1 1, second row is also 1 1. Therefore determinant of A is equals to 1 into 1, that is the 1 minus 1 into 1, that is the 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore value of this determinant is equals to 0. That means that is here the given matrix A is singular assign or non singular? Singular, because value of this determinant equal to 0. Singular matrix, and hence it is non-invertible. याचा inverse find out करता A, that is non-invertible. Third example, that is the matrix of 1 2 3. Okay, solve it. Therefore which is equals to here the matrix A is equals to 1 2 3 3. Okay, there here therefore find its determinant. Therefore which is equals to determinant of A is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Therefore, find the value of this determinant. Determinant of A is equals to 1 into these 3, that is the 3 minus 3 into 2, that is the 6. Therefore, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, not equal to 0. Therefore, value of the determinant is minus 3, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, the given matrix A, is singular matrix, and hence inverse of A. Matrix A is non-singular, and hence it is inverse. Okay. Next is also next example, that is the matrix of fourth example, cos theta sin theta minus sin of theta into a cos. Solve this example. See here, solution is, let the matrix A is equals to cos theta sin of theta minus sin theta, and lastly that is the cos. Find its determinant. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to first row, that is the cos theta sin theta, next that is the minus sin of theta and cos. Solve its determinant. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to cos theta into cos theta, that is the cos square theta, minus sin theta into sin theta, that is the minus sin square theta, and this minus becomes plus sin square theta, and we know that the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, and which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix A is non-singular because not equal to 0. Non-singular matrix, and hence it is infinite. Okay. याच्यासारखे बुक मध्ये अनेक एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत, आपण ते सॉल्व करू शकतो. आता 2/2 चे ते एक्झाम्पल्स बघितले, आता आपण 3/3 चे. ओके. Next is the example number we have 1. Okay. First, that is the 3, 4, 3. Second row, that is the 1, 1, 0. And next, that is the 1, 4. Therefore, solution is, let the given matrix A is equals to, consider this matrix is A. Okay. 3 first row, 3, 4, 3. Second, that is the 1, 0, and last, that is the 1, 4, 4. Okay. Therefore, write its determinant. काय चेक करायचं आपल्याला, it is invertible or not. Okay. Therefore, first row, that is the 3, 4, 3. Second, that is the 1, 1, 0, and last, that is the 1, 4, 4. There. Find its value. Therefore, determinant of A is equals. सगळ्यांना सॉल्व करता येते व्हॅल्यू 3 into in bracket 1 into 5, 5 minus 4 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into in bracket 1 into 5, it becomes 5 minus 1 into 0 is 0, last plus 3 into 1 into 4, that is the 4 minus 1 into 1, that is the 1. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to 3, as it is into 5 minus 0 is 5, minus 4 into 5 minus 0 is again 100. Okay. And lastly, plus 3 into 4 determinant of A is equals to 3 into 5, 15 minus 4 into 5, that is the minus 20 plus 9. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to 15 minus 20, that is the minus 5, 9 minus 5, that is the plus 4. Okay. Therefore, which is not equal to 0. Determinant of A is equals to 4 and which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix A is non-singular, and hence it is invertible. Okay. त्यासारखे एक एक्झाम्पल होमवर्क साठी सॉल्व करायचं आहे तुम्ही. Therefore, the next example इन्व्हर्टिबल आहे का नाही चेक करणार आहोत. 1 2 3. Next is 2 minus 1 3, and last that is the third row, that is the 1 2 3. It's again and solve and hope it is invertible or not. यासारखे 2 मार्क्सला किंवा 1 मार्कला शॉर्ट आन्सर मध्ये विचारलं जाईल. ओके. Example number 4 is find AB if the matrix A is equals to 1 2 3, second row, that is the 1 minus 2 minus 3, and second matrix B is equals to 1 minus 1, second row, that is the 1 2, third row, that is the 1 minus 2. Where to solve, where to find out, examine whether AB has inverse or not. Firstly, we can find AB. Then, after finding the AB, we have to examine AB has inverse or not. Okay. Therefore, firstly, I can write here. Solution is let A is equals to, we have to be given that the matrix A is equals to 1 2 3, 1 minus 2 minus 3. Second matrix B is equals to the matrix 1 minus 1, 1 2, and third, that is the 1 minus. Okay. Therefore, take its find AB. Firstly, we have to find AB. Therefore, A into B is equals to, take the product of these two matrices. आता आपल्या सर्वांना product find out करता येतो. Okay. Therefore, first matrix, that is the A is 1 2 3, and second matrix B is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 3 into the another matrix B is 1 minus 1 1 2, and next is third row, that is the 1 minus 2. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to, सर्वांना matrix multiplication करता येता है. Okay. Therefore, the first row multiply by the corresponding elements of the first column. Then after again taking here the first row multiply by the corresponding element of the second column. Therefore, see here 1 into 1, that is the 1, plus 2 into 1, that is the 2, 3 into 1, that is the 3. Next is again add this first row of the pre-matrix A multiply by the post-factor matrix B of the second column, corresponding element of the second column. Therefore, 1 into minus 1, that is the minus 1, 2 into 2, that is the 4, 3 into minus 2 is the minus 6. Okay. Next, then after here, take the second row, multiply by the corresponding element of the first column, then after second column. Therefore, 1 into 1, that is the 1, 2 into minus 1, that is the minus 2, minus 3 into 1, that is the minus 3. Next is 1 into minus 1, that is the minus 1, minus 2 into 2, that is the minus 4, minus 3 into minus 2, that is the plus 6. Okay. Therefore, AB is equals to, therefore AB is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is the 6, minus 1 plus 4, that is the plus 3, minus 6, that is the minus 3. Next is 1 minus 2, that is the minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, that is the minus 4. Next is minus 1 minus 4, that is the minus 5, plus 6, that is the plus. Okay. Therefore, firstly we have to find the AB. Okay, next examine whether this AB has inverse or not. म्हणजे AB हा इन्व्हर्टिबल आहे किंवा नाही हे आपल्याला एक्झामाइन करायचं. मग आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे की AB चा जर आपण डिटर्मिनंट घेतला नॉट इक्वल टू 0 आला तर दॅट इज द इन्व्हर्टिबल मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, आणि सिंग्युलर जर आला डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ A इक्वल टू जर 0 आला दॅट इज नॉन इन्व्हर्टिबल मॅट्रिक्स. therefore also here second thing that is the determinant of AB is equals to determinant of 6 minus 3 and minus 4 1. Okay, therefore determinant of AB is equals to 6 into 1 that is the 6 minus 4 into minus 3 that is the minus 12 here plus 12. Therefore determinant of AB is equals to 6 minus 12 that is the minus 6 and is not equal to काय सांगा 0. Therefore the given matrix AB is non-singular, okay, and hence here and hence AB inverse exists. Therefore AB has inverse. AB has not inverse. That is the answer of the given example. Okay, समझ गए सर्वांना? Okay, ठीक है. Next, that is the example number 6. Next example, that is the example number 6. Example number 6 is if a matrix of A equal to 1 2 3 4 2 by 2 order चा square matrix है and capital X that is the another matrix is a 2 by 2 order 2 rows and 2 columns असणारे matrix such that AX equal to R, such that AX is equals to R, then find the matrix capital X. काय दिलेले बघा आपल्याला were to be given that the matrix A is equals to the first row that is the 1 2 3 4 that is the second row and that is the order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and second matrix X is a 2 by 2 order matrix. X सुद्धा हा unknown matrix आहे, its order is 2 by 2 and we are to be given that one condition, that is the AX is equals to I is an identity matrix. Then find the matrix X. आपल्याला X फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. मग जनरली आपल्याला माहिती आहे इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी A into A inverse is equals to I रो एलिमेंटरी ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ने आपण डेफिनेशन यूज करतो. मग आता आपण इथली कंडिशन जर बघितली तर AX is equals to I आहे आणि डेफिनेशन काय आपली इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करण्याची A into A inverse is equals to I. मग आपण हा A आपण I मध्ये रिड्यूस करतो, A इन्व्हर्स ऍज इट इज असतो आणि हा I मॅट्रिक्स आपला B मध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो बाय डेफिनेशन. ओके, आता इथे सेम पद्धत आहे, फक्त इथे दिस A इन्व्हर्स इज रिप्लेस बाय काय आलाय X. म्हणजे इथे इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करणे आपलं व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द X फाइंड आउट करणं आपण दोन पद्धतीने फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. एक AX is equals to I. ओके, सेकंड मेथड, पहिले एक मेथड मी एक्सप्लेन करतो सर्वप्रथम. AX is equals to I आहे. Okay, these matrix A convert into the I using the row elementary transformation into x is equals to I is obviously converted into b. Okay, I into x is equals to x असेल, and that is the काय असणार सांगा मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, म्हणजे x मिळेल मला is equals to b ही एक मेथड आहे. And second method, that is the ax is equals to I घ्या, प्री मल्टिप्लाय करू आपण, प्री मल्टिप्लाय both side by a inverse, then a inverse into a into x is equals to a inverse into I. A inverse into a, that is the I, into x is equals to a inverse into I. काय मिळणार आपल्याला पुन्हा सांगा, that is the a inverse, म्हणजे x is equals to काय असेल a inverse. या पद्धतीने सुद्धा आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करता येईल. पण आता इथे एवढं प्री मल्टिप्लाय वगैरे लिहिण्यापेक्षा आपण डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन घेऊया आणि युजिंग द रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन दोन्ही मेथडने आपल्याला सॉल्व करता येईल. युजिंग द रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आपण काय फाइंड आउट करू, value of the x. Okay, therefore solution is here. Let we have been given that to given the matrix A is equals to 1 2, second row that is the 3 4, and here the condition that is the Ax is equals to find the matrix X. काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला, मॅट्रिक्स X having order is 2 by 2. Therefore now here Ax is equals to I. Therefore take the matrix A is 1 2 3 4, okay, into X is equals to I. Okay, therefore this matrix A convert into the take care I matrix is 1 0 0, identity matrix also order. Therefore this matrix A reduced to the identity matrix. Okay, identity मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे ते 1 आहे, using this 1 this 3 reduced to 0. Okay, therefore this 3 lies in R2. Therefore R2 perform R2 minus 3 times, हा 3 0 करायचा म्हणजे minus 3 सबसेट करू using R1 is 1. Therefore this becomes first row as it is because change in R2. Therefore this 3 reduced to 0 असणार आहे. Second R2 is a 4 minus 3 into its corresponding R1 that is the 2. Therefore which is equals to 4 minus 3 into 2 that is the 6 is equals to minus. Correct का check करायचं आहे. Okay, therefore next thing that is the next operation here, into x is equals to 1 0 as it is. Okay, change in R2. Therefore R2 is a 0 minus 3 into corresponding R1 is 1. 0 minus 3 into 1 that is the minus 3. Therefore which is equals to minus 3. Next thing that is the R2 is 1 minus 3 into corresponding R1 is 0. Therefore 1 minus 3 into 0 that is the 3 into 0 0, it becomes 1 here. Okay, therefore which is equals to 1 0 झालाय. आता second is 822 is equals to minus 2 reduced to 1. Therefore this minus 2 lies in second row, represents the R2. Therefore R2 perform minus 1 by 2 into R2. या minus 2 ला जर minus 1 by 2 ने आपण मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे, it becomes 1. Okay, therefore this becomes change in R2, not it is in R1. Therefore R1 write as it is. Okay, therefore 0 as it is, not changing 0. Therefore substitute the value of R2 is minus 2 into minus half, that is the plus 1 into x is equals to 1 0 minus 3. Substitute the value of R2 is minus 3 into minus 1 by 2 that is the 3 by 2. Okay, next R2 is 1 into minus half that is the minus 1. Okay, next is using this one, these 2 reduced to 0. Therefore 2 lies in first row that is the R1. Therefore R1 plus 2 0 व्हायचा असेल तर -2 सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा युजिंग द सेकंड रो दॅट इज द r. Okay, therefore this becomes 1 0 0 1. Okay, into the matrix X is equals to 3/2 and here -1/2 as it is. Okay, therefore r1 is 1, -2 into r2 is 3/2. 2 will get cancelled, 1 minus 3, that is the minus. Okay, next thing that is the r1 is a 0, minus 2 into corresponding r1 is -1/2. 2 will get cancelled, minus into -1 becomes plus. Okay, therefore this is the identity matrix I into X is equals to -2 1, 3/2 and -1/2. Okay, therefore I into X is equals to the matrix of -2 1, 3/2 and -half. That is the matrix X of order, that is the 2/2. Okay, समजले सर्वांना? एकदम nice. Example number 7. Find the inverse of each of the following matrices. Each of the following matrices, if they exist. The first example that is the 1 minus 1, second that is the 2. Okay, example number 7 in miscellaneous 2a, that is find the inverse of each of the following matrices if they exist. जर इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट होत असेल तर आपण त्याचा काय फाइंड आउट करणार आहोत, इन्व्हर्स. ओके, मग आता 2/2 मॅट्रिक्स आपण फाइंड आउट करतोय 2/2 किंवा 3/3 चा. तर इन द बुक आता 10 एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत, त्यापैकी काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण या ठिकाणी सॉल्व करणार आहोत. पण एक एक्झाम्पल, पहिलं एक्झाम्पल जर आपण ऍडजॉइंटली सॉल्व केलं तर सेकंड रोने सॉल्व करू, थर्ड एक्झाम्पल 2/2 चं पुन्हा कॉलमने सॉल्व करू आणि राहिलेले पुन्हा 3/3 चे असेल ते एकदा ऍडजॉइंटली सॉल्व करू प्रॅक्टिस साठी, एकदा रोने सॉल्व करू आणि एकदा कॉलम. आणि तुम्ही होमवर्क साठी एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं की ते पहिल्यांदा ऍडजॉइंटली सॉल्व करून बघायचं प्रॅक्टिस साठी. तेच एक्झाम्पल, कारण मार्क्स मिळून देणारे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आणि परीक्षेला विचारले जातात हमखास. तेच एक्झाम्पल प्रॅक्टिस साठी कॉलमने सॉल्व करून बघा, तेच एक्झाम्पल रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनने सॉल्व करा. इन्व्हर्स सर्वांचे काय आले पाहिजे, सारखेच असले पाहिजे, कारण मॅट्रिक्सला काय असतो, एकच इन्व्हर्स. मग याच्यातून काय कळणार आपल्याला की जर समजा सॉल्व करताना चुकलंय, दोन मेथडने वेगवेगळे आन्सर्स आले तर आपण समजायचं की आपलं एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना चुकणार आहे, म्हणजे आपण सेल्फ इव्हॅल्युएशन आपण स्वतः करू शकतो. ओके, कळलंय सर्वांना? ठीक आहे. मग आता फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल दॅट इज 1 minus 1 2 3. Therefore solution is let the matrix A is equals to 1 minus 1 2 3. Okay, therefore याचा काय फाइंड आउट करणार आपण, इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करणार. मग इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट होतं का नाही, पहिल्यांदा काय फाइंड आउट करावं लागतं, डिटर्मिनंट. ओके, therefore we have to find the determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1 minus 1 2 3, therefore which is equals to 1 into 3, that is the 3, minus 2 into 1, that is the minus 2, minus minus becomes plus 2, therefore which is equals to 5, and this determinant of A is equals to 5, which is not equals to 0. Therefore the given matrix A is non-singular and hence A inverse exists. काय होणार सांगा? A inverse काय होणार आहे? Okay. Now therefore to find A inverse by adjoint मेथड ने आपण सॉल्व करूया. पहिले एक्झाम्पल. मग adjoint मेथड ने सॉल्व करायचे म्हणजे आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करावं लागतं? सर्वप्रथम कोफॅक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करणार. कोफॅक्टर्स फाइंड आउट केल्यानंतर त्यानंतर कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स लिहिणार, त्याचा ट्रान्सपोज आपण adjoint लिहिणार आणि इन द फॉर्म्युला A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A to get the inverse of the given matrix A. Therefore now here we know that Aij cofactor find out करण्याचा फॉर्म्युला Aij is equals to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore first column element, that is the 1, is equals to its cofactor, that is the capital A11, is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11 is equals to minus 1 plus 1, that is the 2. This 1 lies in first row, first column. Eliminate जर आपण केला तर remaining element only 3 here, that is the minor of this matrix. Therefore that is the 3. Minus 1 square is 1 into 3, it becomes. Okay. Next is 8y is equals to first row second column element, that is the minus 1. Therefore 8y is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, that is the minus 1 cube into M12. This minus 1 lies in first row first column. First row first column जर आपण eliminate केला, first row second column, the remaining here 2. Therefore minus 1 cube into 2, that is the minus 1 into 2 is equals to minus. Next element, that is the A21 second row first column element, that is the 2. Find its cofactor. It represents capital A21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, that is the 3. M21, these two lies in first second row first column. Eliminate this, delete करायचे, remaining here minus 1. Therefore minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes plus. Okay, correct है check करना हो. Therefore next thing, that is the A22 is equals to A22, that is second row second column element, that is the 3. Therefore A22 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, that is the 4. These 3 lies in second row second column. Eliminate this, it becomes plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4, that is the 1 into this 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Therefore cofactor of A is equals to, cofactor कसा लिहितो आपण? A11, A12, A21, A22. Therefore which is equals to the matrix. काय असणार सांगा? 3, minus 2, 1 and 1. Okay. Therefore which is equals. Therefore adjoint of A is equals to, write the transpose of this matrix. Therefore 3 minus 2, 1 and, okay. therefore which is equals to find A inverse. We know that here A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Therefore A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A, sorry here 5 into the matrix 3 1 minus 2. That is the answer of the given, that is the inverse of the given matrix by adjoint method. Okay, समजलं सर्वांना सॉल्व करता येतीलच एक्झाम्पल्स. Next example, find the inverse of each of the following matrices. Second example, that is the matrix of 2 1 1 minus. Next example, that is the second matrix, that is the 2 1 1 minus. पहिल्यांदा आपण चेक करणार आहोत त्याचा इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट होतं का नाही, using the finding the value of the determinant. Okay, therefore solution is, let the matrix A equal to 2 1 1 minus 1. Okay, therefore find its determinant. Determinant of A equal to determinant of 2 1 1 minus 1 is equals to 2 into minus 1, that is the minus 2 minus 1 into 1, that is the 1, is equals to minus 2 minus 1, it becomes minus 3, not equal to 0. Therefore that is here determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore the given matrix A is non-singular matrix, and hence A inverse exists. आता इथे कुठेही मेथड, आता याचा इन्व्हर्स एक्झिस्ट झालाय, इथं आपण कुठलीही मेथड असं मेन्शन केलेले नाही, याच मेथडने सॉल्व करा. मागचा एक्झाम्पल आपण ऍडजॉइंटने सॉल्व केलं, आता दिस एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व बाय द रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. ओके, therefore to find inverse of A by row elementary transformation method. Row elementary transformation. Okay, therefore row elementary transformation method, then consider the definition of the inverse. A into A inverse is equals to R. R is our identity matrix of order same that of A. Therefore, taking here the matrix A, that is the 2 1 1 minus 1 into A inverse is equals to 1 0 0 1, that is the identity matrix of the same order that of A. Okay, मग आता आपल्याला this matrix A reduced to identity matrix and same operation operates on the matrix R. Okay, therefore मग आता हा आयडेंटिटी मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं, म्हणजे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम एलिमेंट दिस टू रिड्यूस टू काय पाहिजे 1, पण तिथे 1 नाही आले, 1 खाली आलाय. मग आपण काय करू, रो इंटरचेंजचं ऑपरेशन यूज करूया. therefore these R1 perform R1 interchange into R2. Obviously R2 कशात कन्वर्ट होणार आहे, R1. therefore this becomes 1 minus 1, second row convert replaced by the first row, R1 interchange R2, and obviously R2 convert into the R1. Okay, position change झाली row ची. A inverse as it is equals to same operation operates on the identity matrix. Therefore, first row interchanged by 1 of second row and second row replaced by first row. That is 0 1 1. मग इथे 1 आलाय, इथे काय पाहिजे आपल्याला 0, पण इथे काय आलाय 2 आलाय. मग these two convert into the 0. 0 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे म्हणजे ऑपरेशन कुठे ऑपरेट्स करावं लागेल सेकंड रो, बिकॉज these two lies in second row. Therefore R2 perform. आता हा 0 करायचा आहे, +2 आहे, 0 कसं होणार आहे -2. therefore take a -2 into, पण कशाचा यूज करायचा आपल्याला 1 चा. असं नाही लिहू शकत आपण R2 minus. ओके, therefore R2 minus 2 times R1. okay, therefore this becomes change in R2, not it is in R1, therefore R1 write as it is into A inverse is equals to here also first row as it is. पहिल्यांदा लिहून मग आता R2 बाजूला डिस्प्ले लिहून द्यायचा आहे त्याचा R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 is here 2. आता याच्यासाठी ऑपरेशन केले तो 0 च होणार. R2 is 1 minus 2 into R1. R1 is minus. Okay, therefore which is equals to 1 plus 2. Therefore it becomes 3. 1 minus 2 into minus 2, that is the plus 2, 1 plus 2, that is the 3. Next, that is the here R2 is 1 minus 2 into R1, R1 that is the 0. Therefore 1 minus 2 into 0, that is the 0, 1 minus 0, that is the 1. Okay, next is R2 is a 0 minus 2 into R1 is a 1. Okay, therefore 0 minus 2 into 1, that is the minus. Therefore write here minus. Okay, next these three reduce to 1. Okay, therefore these three lies in second row. Therefore R2 perform 1 by 3 into R. Okay, therefore which is equals to, therefore first row as it is 1 minus 1, 0 also as it is, it becomes 1. A inverse is equals to 0 1 also as it is, second row R2 is 1, 1 into 1 by 3, that is the 1 by 3. Next is R2 is minus 2 into 1 by 3, that is the minus 2 by 3. Okay, and lastly here 1 0 1 आला आहे. आता हा काय झाला पाहिजे 0 minus 1 हा 1 त्याच्यात ऍड करा R2 नंतर म्हणजे काय होईल तो 0. therefore R1 perform R1 plus R2. okay, therefore this becomes 1 0 0. A inverse is equals to 0 plus 1 by 3, that is the 1 by 3. change in R1 आहे म्हणून R1 पहिल्यांदा लिहायचं. 0 plus 1 by 3, that is the 1 by 3. R1 is 1, R2 is minus 2 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3, taking 3 will be LCM, 3 minus 2, that is again R 1 by 3. Okay, next is 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay, therefore which is equals to, this is the I matrix. I into A inverse is equals to, सर्वांमधून मी काय करू शकतो 1 by 3 take outside the matrix. therefore scalar multiplication चा होत दिसतंय सर्वांमध्ये कॉमन. therefore 1 1 1 and minus. okay, that is the answer of given matrix inverse is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 1 1 minus. therefore that is the inverse of the given matrix. okay, कळलं सर्वांना? ठीक आहे, पहिलं एक्झाम्पल आपण ऍडजॉइंट ने सॉल्व केलं. हे एक्झाम्पल आपण कशाने सॉल्व केले रो ने. आता एक कॉलम चे 2 by 2 that is the third example. Third example, that is the See here, the next example, third example, that is the matrix of 1, 3, 2, 7, that is the second row. Solution is let A is equals to the matrix. Consider this matrix is A, 1, 3, 2, 7. Okay? Therefore, first we check त्याचा inverse exists to किंवा नाही. Find the determinant. Determinant of A is 1, 3, second row, that is the 2, 7. Therefore, which is equals to find value of the determinant of A. 1 into 7, that is the 7 minus 2 into 3, that is the 6, is equals to 1. Therefore, this 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, that is here. The matrix A is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix A is non-singular. The given matrix A is non-singular, and hence here A inverse exists. To find A inverse, by column transformation. आता जनरली आपण इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी एलिमेंटरी म्हटलं तर रो यूज करतो, कॉलमचा सहसा आपण यूज होत नाही. पण मेन्शन जर केलेलं असेल एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना की सॉलिड बाय कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन, त्यावेळेस यूज करायचं. आता इथे मेन्शन नाही केलंय, पण एक प्रॅक्टिस व्हावी म्हणून आपण कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनने सॉल्व करतो. मग कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन असेल तर सेम डेफिनेशन यूज करतो, पण फक्त लिहिताना काय लिहिणार कॉलम मध्ये therefore A inverse into A लिहायचं. रो मध्ये काय लिहितो आपण A into A inverse. इथं A inverse into A is equals to काय लिहिणार ओके. therefore A inverse into the matrix A, that is the 1, 3, 2, 7 is equals to the identity matrix 1, 0, 0. आता कॉलम वाईज आपण जाणार आहे. रो असेल तर आपण कॅपिटल R इंडिकेट करतो आणि कॉलम असेल तर आपण कॅपिटल C इंडिकेट करतो. ओके. आता हा मॅट्रिक्स A पुन्हा आपल्याला कशात कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे आयडेंटिटी मध्ये. सॉरी, आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये. मग इथे 1 आहे, हा काय लागणार. आता इथे आपण रो वाईज असेल तर खाली जातो, कॉलम वाईज असेल तर त्याच्या समोरचा एलिमेंट 0 करायचं. ओके. मग आता हा 0 करायचा पहिल्यांदा, देन आफ्टर हा 1 करणार, युजिंग these 1, these 2 reduce to 0. Okay. Therefore, these 3 lies in second column, that is the C2. Therefore, C2 perform C2. इथे ऑलरेडी 1 आलेला आहे, डायरेक्टली आपण आता 0 करणार. जिथे 1 आला असेल तर 1 करण्याची गरज असते. C2 minus C2 is a 3 मधून 3 सबट्रॅक्ट केला तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे 0. Therefore, C2 minus 3 times C1, that is the one. Therefore, this becomes A inverse into the matrix 1 as it is, 1 and 2 as it is, because changing second column, not it is in first column. Therefore, first column write as it is. Therefore, C2 minus 3 times C1. इथे बाजूला त्याचा डिस्प्ले लिहून न्यायचं म्हणजे आपण चुकणार नाही. ओके. Therefore, C2 that is the 3, त्याच्यासाठीच आपण ऑपरेशन घेतलंय, तो काय होणार आहे 0. पुन्हा C2 मधला सेकंड एलिमेंट that is the 7 minus 3 times corresponding element of C1, that is the 2. Therefore, 7 minus 3 into 2, that is the 6. 7 minus 6, that is the 1, is equals to first column write as it is. Therefore, C2 is 0 minus 3 times C1, that is the 1. Okay. 0 minus 3 into 1, that is the minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus. Next is C2 is a 1 minus 3 corresponding element of C1, that is the 0. 1 minus 3 into 0, minus 3 into 0 is 0, plus 1, that is 1. Okay. there. Next is आता इथे 1 and 0 आहे ते कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्येच 1 येऊन गेलाय. Using this 1, these 2 reduce to 0. Therefore, take second operation. This 2 lies in second column. First column. Therefore, it represents by C1. Perform C1. तर 2 0 करायचं म्हणजे C1 minus 2 times या 1 चे यूज करणार. This 1 lies in second column. That is the C. म्हणजे ऑपरेशन काय तयार झालं माझं? C1 minus 2 times C2. Therefore, A inverse into या एलिमेंट मध्ये कुठलाही फरक होणार नाही. सेकंड कॉलम आपण लिहून घेऊ प्रथम. ओके, therefore this becomes 0. ओके, is equals इथे सेकंड कॉलम as it is there because change in C1. ओके, ऑपरेशन काय घेतलं आपण? C1 minus 2 times C2. C1 is 1 minus 2 times C2 is minus 3. Therefore, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay. Next is C1 is 0 minus 2 times C2. C2 is corresponding, C2 is 1. 0 minus 2 into 1, that is a minus. Okay. Therefore, which is equals to A inverse into I is equals to the given matrix 7 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, therefore A inverse into I, that is the inverse of A, is equals to 7 minus 3 minus 2. That is the answer of given